それでは、the next talk is by Professor Rory Hunter of K.
このマイクを、これもマイクですね。それでいいですか？ OK、わかりました。
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Hunter is busy for a minute, so I'd like to talk to you. I am the multimedia part of this presentation, and I am here to remind you that you don't need a computer to make a bird.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rory Hunter. I teach English and computer usage at this university. How's that look? Oh, pretty good. Eh? Yeah, fine. This is my web page, and one of my main purposes for speaking to you today is to show you something inside my web page, and there are many things actually. The paper that you have been given has the address for my home page, so you can see all this when you have lots of time, and it will take lots of time to look at everything. At KUT, we have an English department, and some of us are electronic type teachers and some of us aren't, but we are a happy group. Yesterday, Professor Miyagawa from MIT was talking about open courseware. Well, we already have open courseware. Professor Green has three online courses. And if you go here, you'll be able to find everything that we use for teaching those classes. For myself, I'm in the middle of making, sorry, that's a mistake. Oh, that's my classes. I've almost finished making a one-year self-study course for information systems students. Joho Enshu Eigo no 1年間 self-study course. For example, analog and digital. Every lesson has some content, a few pages of content. This one has 2 pages. And, oh, this is not a good example. Oh, I know. And it also has, I'm not working on this computer, but you can listen to sound files that go with every page. So, and that whole course is on the line. Oh, it's going to come anyway.
Lesson 5, analog and digital. Analog representation is intuitive.
Etc. So that's online and anybody can use it anywhere in the world. It's pretty good. At Kochi, we have a call lab. Here's a paper about how to plan a computer-assisted language program. This is my graphics for how to think about planning. That's not today's topic. Just please go and look there. I think it's very interesting. Our call lab. In 1996, I designed this call lab, and in 1997, the the lab opened, when KUT opened. 54 students, Macintosh computers. But it's not multimedia and it's not interactive. This lab is designed for lots of space for human contact. If you want to hear more about that, here's my presentation for today. And in the menu, when you go there, down at the bottom there's a paper called Learner and Task. It's about the computer lab. If you want to read the paper for today's presentation, it's here. Complete. You don't have to wait for the proceedings. You can read it tonight. Okay. There are the 6 questions that everybody's wondering about. What do we need for IT education? Will IT replace the classroom teacher? Will it replace me? How can I use IT in my teaching? How can I start using IT? Is it necessary for me to make IT teaching materials? How can I start making IT teaching materials? Now, if you look at the menu, the answers are here. But I'm not going to show you the answers today. You have to go to my website and click on INSITE 2002 presentation. Okay? IT and education. We're here for 3 days. Everybody's talking about IT and education, management, computer systems. But this conference is for Kochi teachers. This conference is part of the Bluebird Project. And the Bluebird Project is designed to improve the standard of teaching in Kochi public schools, elementary, junior high school, and high school. So my plan was to prepare something for teachers that they can start to do on Tuesday when they go back to school. You know, it's a little difficult to come to a conference as a teacher and watch the wonderful technology that you don't have. And someday we will have the technology in every room, but this week we don't have it. So I want to give you one tool. And this is good for any teacher, including university teacher. This is one simple tool to begin to improve your education. It's a personal tool. You must make an effort to use it. So we've been talking about IT and education, and it's been kind of IT heavy. But please think for a minute. Think about learning. Education is really about learning. So if you think about learning, what's in the very center of learning? What thing is in the center of learning? What? Please think. Anybody? Mr. Nonaka? Professor Nojiri? What is in the center of learning? Young people. That's right, the learner. And what is the learner doing? What is the learner doing? Professor Sumi? What is the learner doing? Oh, help. The learner is helping. The learner is learning. The learner is learning? Okay, just a minute. Okay, here's the learner. All right, and here's the material to be learned. Okay, yeah, please learn. This is what happens to me on Monday morning. Oh, are you learning? I don't